Okay guys, she's built, put everything back on the manifold, and did a test shot through the manifold, and she's sealed pretty good. No leaks or anything through diaphragms or seal or O-rings or anything like that. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. This is a number 5. That's 3A. Number 1, number 2, and 4A. Pretty bitchin', huh? That's what I was thinking. Oh yeah, she's got a little soot on her. But from what I could tell, I took it out right after I put it together and gave her a shot, and it sounds really good. Really won't know until I take it up in the mountains. But after this, you'll hear a little shot of me touching it off in my truck. That'll be in my canopy, so it won't be that loud, but yeah. Nice run-of-the-mill K5la raised letter. And for those of you wondering, the serial number on this is, looks like it's 72796. So who knows? I know it's a newer one, but I'm not all up on the ages of these horns. A lot of the other guys are. So anyways, stay tuned to right after this and you'll hear what she sounds like.